been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video where we take something apart. Today it will be a PlayStation 4 remote controller. So I always wanted to see what's inside of this, and the some of the issues that people saying that, you know, if your battery goes out you can't change it, you have to buy a new controller. Obviously that's not the case, because we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here, and it does look like it comes apart. As you can see, this controller has been heavily used. So I know this is not first video of opening a controller, but this is my take on it. So let's get started by taking these 4 screws out. Alright guys, so the back is starting to come off, as you can see. So as I was taking this apart, the controller came on because I pressed on the PlayStation button. So I guess I'm going to need to turn that off, but I'm going to go ahead and just unplug the battery right here. Alright, so all you guys that think it's impossible to get to a battery in this remote, it's very simple. As you can see, it only took me less than a minute. Alright, so this is the charging port cable and the light. So there's a little ribbon here. So if you do need it, if your controller does not charge, then all you need to do is just take these this apart and change that little circuit there. Let's look at the inside of this remote. Here on each side we have the motors here that spin, and they have heavy weights on there, which makes your vibration move. The interesting part is that the motors seem similar on both sides, but the weight is much different. It is much heavier on this side, which is the left side, and this is the right side, which is a very small light one. So then here you got your buttons, and then you got the main circuit board here, which these motors are connected to, and that ribbon is connected to here, and the battery is connected to here, so the battery sits in here. Alright, if you want to go deeper, then there's another bolt here, or screw, that you need to take out, which will cut loose this whole circuit board. If you don't have to go in there, don't open this, because things might get really complicated, because we got a bunch of loose pieces now. Alright guys, and you can see how it gets pretty advanced in here. So we got connectors that connect to that, and there's a pressure pad in the back, so I think that's what that has to do with it. So here's the analog sticks. So if you do need to replace this whole circuit, you could. So. But technically, yeah, it just all kind of snaps out and comes out pretty easily. So anyways, everything is serviceable here, and it's not too hard to get to. So. Alright, and over here we have your buttons. If you needed to replace any of these buttons, they're all here. Very simple. As you can see, as I'm pushing it, they're moving around. In any case guys, so this is actually pretty interesting, the way this remote is built. Overall, a very solid looking build, very professional, and attention to detail is very good. So this battery actually looks a little bit cheap, and I think the capacity on it's pretty small. The reason I'm thinking that is because it's even boxed in this plastic housing. So I'm sure you can upgrade this thing to a lot better spec. Okay guys, normally I would let you go from here, but I'm going to put this back together real quick, and we'll power it on, make sure it still works. Alright guys, so the remote's back together and it's actually on right now. So let's see if it'll actually take a charge. Make sure we did everything good and put it back. So we're going to plug it in. And as you can tell, it's charging. Power's coming out of here. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button. If there's any suggestions on what to take apart, please let me know in the comments. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.